What are you doing here? Stop! Stay away! You shouldn't have come looking for me. Stay back. Don't come close. That's because I'm sick. No, I can't go home with you. I have it. I have the virus. Yes, I do. I felt really bad. Then I saw about it on TV. And, well, they said that there's a virus and it spread everywhere. And that it's bad for nekos. And it's really bad for humans. And that humans can get it from us nekos. So I left. You won't get it from me. No, I can't go home with you. I'll make you sick, too. There are people in hospitals, and they're very, very sick. They said so. No! Don't. Please, don't try to make me go home with you. Just leave me here. Well, yeah, I'm in an alleyway, and it's dirty, but it's not very dirty. I just found a big box, and I can stay in it. Where is it? It got wet. I'll find another one, though. Or an empty trash can. I'll be fine. Of course I'm shivering. Who told you I was sick? Now you see, you have to go home now. How long? I just started feeling really bad after you went to work today. No, I didn't think it was before that. Yeah, I'm sure it just started today. Huh? I had it for 3 or 4 days already. Does it really take that long for a virus to grow? Enough in me to make me feel sick? I didn't know that. But that means I was sick while we were together on the couch and eating dinner, sleeping in the bed. Oh, no, I've made you sick already. How can you know? I didn't make you sick already, did I? Well, yeah, we are always together if we go out to see people. I guess this is the last time we went out. That was, what, more than a week ago? I think I understand. We didn't catch it from anyone else when we went out, because neither of us felt sick before today, right? Oh, but you go out all the time to go to work. Oh yeah. If you brought the virus home, then you'd get sick before I could get sick. 'Cause it got to you first. Well, okay, then maybe I don't have that virus then. But I have something. I'm sick. I want to believe you. I want to be able to go home and have you take care of me. But what if something wrong happens to you? What if somehow you're wrong? No, if you're wrong, then you'll get sick. And I don't want to be sick, and I don't want you to be sick. And most of all, I don't want you to be sick. Because of me. Being sick together doesn't sound like a good thing. No, don't sit down. You can't stay here. You have to go home. You'll get sick staying here in the rain, and it'll still be my fault. Stop! Don't sit. Oh. Go home. What do you mean it's impossible to go home? That's silly. Your home isn't wherever I am. Home is back at your house. Stop being so exasper... Egg... Ex... Yeah, that's it. Exasperating. You're exasperating. Exasperating and irritating. And you don't listen very well. I'm sorry, Master. I didn't mean that. You do listen very good. You always listen to me when I'm silly. And when I feel sad. Well then, if I say is really important to you, then why won't you listen to me now? And go away? Why not? Why don't you think that you should go? Okay, I'm listening. Really, you'd rather sit in the rain with me than be home where it's all warm and dry? All by yourself? I really mean that much to you? No, I don't know. You never told me how it was. Why didn't you? Oh, you can tell me. I'd never think that you were pathetic. Or too needy. Well, tell me how about it then. What do I mean to you? That's awful. You shouldn't work late all the time. It's not fun. And it's not good for you. And going drinking in bars all by yourself. That's not a good thing either. Was going back to an empty house so bad that you'd do anything to not have to go there? It's hard for me to imagine how lonely it would feel to open our door and there's only darkness and silence. And I did that to you tonight, didn't I? I made your house dark, quiet, and lonely again. I'm sorry. I didn't mean... But now that you have me, everything's all better? I know I can't wait for you to get home either. But it'd be okay with me if people wanted you to go with them after work or karaoke or something. I wouldn't mind. Is that for true? You'd like them? You like to tell them you can't because you have something waiting for you? Of course I'm happy whenever you come home. If opening our door feels like opening a present every day to you, then you feel like getting a present to me. It feels good to be needed. I don't ever want you to have to go back to a lonely life. Well, sure, if you were sick instead of me, and you needed me to take care of you, of course I'd want to take care of you. I'd love to. I understand, but do you really feel like you'd need to take care of me? I'm sick and snotty and achy and grumpy, and I might make you be sick too. You need me to need you? I understand. It feels good to be needed too. Oh. Alright then. You're stubborn. Even more stubborn than me. I'll come home now. But just to make you get out of the rain. Okay? Yes, Master. No tricks. Because if I sneak out again, you'll come find me. I know. I know. No, keep your jacket on. You'll get wet. I'll be okay. I'm already wet. Oh. Alright. I'll wear the jacket for you. You're so... exasperating. Carry me. No, I can walk fine. I'll let you be a hero for me. An exasperating hero. I think I'm starting to feel a little better already, Mr. Hero. Hey guys. It's Sidhu here, as always. This is a new one for me. I haven't done a Neko VA before, but I hope you guys did enjoy it. I personally don't really know too much how I felt about it, but as always, if you did, you can let me know in any way you would like. A like or a comment or anything. But as always, if you're listening to this as you're about to fall asleep, I sure hope you have a good sleep and have a good day tomorrow. If no one wishes that, then I do. But, as always, the credit will be down below and so are my socials. But good night, as always, and I hope you have a good one. Bye-bye.